Fellow traders, I want to welcome you and thank you for taking a few minutes out of your busy schedule to watch our new video. I want to make this video as real as I could without all of the hype. Our goal is to provide you with exactly what you need to be a successful trader. So the purpose of this video is to show you the difference between manually trading and trading with a system that uses alerts at critical areas during a trade. Now, for simplicity reasons, I'm going to call it the Amazing Alert System. But after watching this video, you're going to learn how the Amazing Alert System can help you actually cut down the amount of time that you need to be in front of your computer to trade, and also why spending less time in front of your computer trading is better for you. First of all, just spending less time in front of the computer frees up your time so that you can go out and do different things throughout the day. Another reason is spending less time in front of the computer, you're going to be less likely to get emotionally engaged in a trade than you would otherwise. The reason for this is simply because you're not getting hypnotized by the price moving up and down and watching candlesticks form temporary movements that would be going against your trade. Now, when price does this, it causes you to make unnecessary or premature trading decisions, which would ultimately cause you to cut heavily into your profits. What that means for you is not earning as much as you think you could have or what you should have been able to on that trade. Now, how many times in the past have you closed out a trade prematurely because you think that the trend is over, just to realize that the trend continues on a lot further than what you anticipated, and then it leaves you with all those pips that are left on the table? That right there is a trader's, or one of the trader's, worst nightmares. So real quick, let me show you how the Amazing Alert System actually works. I'm going to take this to a 1 hour chart. This is the euro dollar. This was a trade that I had put in on Friday, February 6th of 2015. But up here you can see the Amazing Alert EA. With the Amazing Alert indicator, the first thing it's going to do is it's going to notify you to place a pending order when you get a signal that you should be getting into the market. In this example right here, it shows that I had placed a pending sell order to go ahead and sell on it. Number two is, once I get triggered into the trade, the Amazing Alert System is going to notify me to check my trade at the first signal to exit the trade, which came right here. Now, if you notice, if we go vertically right on down to where price currently is at that time of notification, it's when we get a consolidation. Now, it doesn't mean that that's where I close the trade out, because number three, the Amazing Alert System notifies me to go ahead and put a stop loss at the first sign of a price reversal. Now, number four, the Amazing Alert notifies me to stay in the trade. The way that it notifies me is simply by not getting a confirmation on a close of a trade. By not getting my secondary confirmation, that allows me to stay into my trade, which, number five, I'm able to earn all of my full profits. Now, if you notice, from the time I entered into the trade all the way down to current price, I'm roughly at 133 pips. So what that allows me to do is to be able to maximize all of the potential pips that I'm gaining without cutting my trades prematurely. Now, I want to thank you for your time and letting me share with you one of our favorite trade tools. And best of all, we're going to give you a free trade strategy session from some of our professional traders, and actually giving you some advice on your trading and your trading system. All you have to do is just simply go ahead and click on the link below right down in here, and then we'll talk with you soon. So thanks so much, and see you on the other side.